Sir, I can't finish it in the class. So, sir, I send you on the WhatsApp.
Okay. Very good. So have you all completed this table?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I have
This table which I gave you yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Make
That
the-
only I send it
Yes,
to you.
sir.
Okay, let us discuss this table now. You all have written in your copies. Now let us discuss it. Okay. Some properties we will discuss. These are known as properties of quadrilaterals. Okay.
Good morning, sir. Sorry,
morning.
sir, for being.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So how many of you know what is a quadrilateral?
Nani.
What is a quadrilateral?
क्या थी?
Anyone? Bharat, keep your mic off. Yes. What is a quadrilateral? No one knows what is a quadrilateral. Narayani beta, can you tell me what is a quadrilateral?
Sir, a quadrilateral is a shape.
Oh, that very good. It is a shape. What kind of shape it is? So what
Sir,
is a
shape with line segments, 3 line segments. Sir, like something like that.
Sir, can I tell? It's with sides and angles.
what is a triangle? Triangle. What is a triangle first of all?
The triangle is a quadrilateral.
A triangle is a quadrilateral.
Triangle is a figure having 3 sides.
Very good. Triangle is a figure having 3 sides. And what is a quadrilateral then?
Sir, the figure having 4 sides. The figure that 4 and more than 4.
No, not more than 4. Only 4. Not more than 4. Okay. Triangle
Okay,
has 3 sides. Okay, listen to the definition carefully, all of you. Triangles हमने पढ़ लिया और triangle के बारे में नहीं पता कि what is a triangle. Okay, so a triangle is a closed figure which is made up of 3 line segments. Closed figure made up of 3 line segments. Can I make a closed figure with 2 line segments? 2 line segments से closed figure बना सकता हूँ? Can I make a closed figure with help of 2 line segments? Is it possible?
We have to also make.
हाँ जी, अभियान?
We have to also make the triangles.
No, this is just to explain, to make you understand what is triangle, what is quadrilateral, only because of that. Okay, don't write anything in your copies. So, can you make a closed figure with 2 line segments? This is a line segment. Do you all know that this is a line segment? This is one line segment. These are 2 line segments. Can you make a closed figure with 2 line segments? Closed figure का मतलब समझ गए? Do you understand the meaning of closed figure? जो सब जगह से बंद हो, सारी जगह से रास्ते बंद कर दिए.
Figure which is enclosed.
हाँ जी. Yeah, figure which is enclosed. Very good, Abhiyan. So yes, this is not a closed figure, and with the help of 2 line segments, you cannot make a closed figure. You can make a closed figure with at least 3 line segments. कम से कम 3 line segments होने चाहिए. So the closed figure which is made up of 3 line segments is known as a triangle. Okay, a closed figure made up of 3 line segments is known as a triangle. Try word आ रहा है यहाँ पे देखिए try. Do you understand the meaning of try? Try means 3. मालूम है? And what is a quadrilateral?
Tricolor.
This is TRI try. TRY try नहीं है. Try TRI try जो होता है that stands for 3. Okay. TRI try जो होता है that stands for 3. Okay. So a closed figure which is made up of 4 line segments. This is made up of 4 line segments. Am I right or not? The first line
Yes,
segment
sir.
is AB. First is AB. Second is BC. Third line segment is CD. And fourth line segment is DA. So AB, BC, CD, and DA. These are the 4 line segments. So this is a quadrilateral. The word quad it represents 4. Quad का meaning जानते हैं आप लोग? Quad का meaning होता है 4. Okay. So that is why the name is quadrilateral.
And sir, what is
So
polygon?
sir, that means
Yes.
quadrilateral means the shape with 4 sides. By mistake, I was disconnected.
Yes, exactly. A shape with 4 sides is known as a quadrilateral. Closed shape made up of 4 sides is known as quadrilateral. Got it? Acha, you tell me whether this is a quadrilateral or not. Is this a quadrilateral? It is made up of 4 sides.
But sir, it is not an enclosed shape, so it is not a
Yes,
quadrilateral.
sir.
Yes.
sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
So it is having 4 sides, but the shape is not enclosed. It is not a closed figure. So that is why this is not a quadrilateral. Okay. So all the closed figure which are made up of at least 3 line segments, कम से कम 3 sides होती हैं. These are known as polygons. So this is a type of polygon. This is also a type of polygon. A polygon can have at least 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or more than that sides. More than 8 also. So all these are known as polygons. Polygon का meaning समझ में आ गया आपको? What is a polygon? Yes, Abhiyan, you want to say something?
Yes, sir.
The polygon does not matter on odd or even. Like that, if there are some even like 8, so it will be of 8 sides only, not 7.
Polygon can have 3 or more than 3 sides. Doesn't matter whether the number of sides are odd or even. So a figure with 3 sides, closed figure with 3 sides is also a polygon. A closed figure with 4 sides is also a polygon. 5 sides वाला भी polygon होगा, 6 sides वाला भी polygon होगा, 7, 8, 9, 10, all these are polygons. Okay. Closed figure made up of more than 3 sides is known as a polygon. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir. Sir, any figure covered with 3 sides or 4 sides or more than 3 sides, that is
Now
known
you
as
tell me
polygon.
whether is this a polygon? Is this a polygon? Quadrilateral तो
No,
नहीं है.
sir. Sir, it is not connected.
No, sir. Sir,
Yes.
it is not closed.
No, sir. Because
Yes.
this is not closed. sir.
बहुत तेज दिमाग है इस क्लास में बच्चों को.
Sir, it's not closed.
एक ही बार में समझ जाते हैं सारे. Okay, so yes, it is not a closed figure. तो मैं इसको polygon. I cannot call this as a polygon. Is this a polygon?
Sir, if there was covered
Yes,
with
sir.
5 sides,
Yes,
9
sir.
segments, so it will be known as pentagon.
अरे वाह.
Sir, and it will be a polygon.
Very good, very good. Is this a polygon?
Sir, this is a polygon.
Yes,
Yes,
So
sir.
this
sir.
is a polygon.
Sir, it's a
Yes,
polygon.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
this is also a
Yes, sir,
polygon.
this one also.
Yes, sir.
The polygon of this one is a polygon of 4 sides. This one is a polygon
Yes,
of
sir, it
3
was
sides,
also.
and
Side.
this one is a polygon of 5
Five
sides.
Five
Five side.
5 sides.
Yes, sir.
How is it a polygon?
Five
Yes.
Yes,
sides.
sir.
Yes, it is a
Because
polygon.
it has 5
Sir,
sides.
it is called pentagon.
Okay. A polygon with 4 sides can also be called a polygon with 4 sides.
पेंटागन मतलब कोऑर्डिनेट क्या?
A
सर
polygon.
कोऑर्डिलेटरल, सर कोऑर्डिनेटरल, कोऑर्डिनेटरल,
Quadrilateral. Very good.
कोऑर्डिनेटरल,
Polygon with 4
Quadrilateral.
sides is known as quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral.
A polygon with 5 sides is called
पॉलीगन,
Pentagon.
pentagon. The word pent is known for 5. Pent का मीनिंग होता है पेंटा, पेंटा का मीनिंग होता है 5. ओके, पेंटा का मीनिंग क्या होता है 5. तो पेंटागन क्या बन गया ये? A polygon with 5 sides known as pentagon. ओके, अगर मैं 5 की जगह 6 साइड कर देता हूँ,
Sir, hexagon.
हेक्सागन.
Sir, hexagon. Hexagon.
So this closed figure, this is also a polygon. It has 6 sides.
Yes,
1, 2,
sir.
3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides are there. So 6 के लिए जो word use करते हैं that is hexa. The word
Hexa.
used for 6 is hexa.
हेक्सागन,
Hexagon. Very easy. कितना आसान है नाम देना, याद रहेगा.
यस सर,
Try.
यस सर, पेंटागन, हेक्सागन,
Quad.
सर पेंटागन,
sir.
हेक्सागन, कोऑर्डिलेटरल,
Quad means 4.
ट्रायंगल,
Penta means 5. Hexa means 6. और septa का मीनिंग क्या होता है 7.
7,
Septa.
सेप्टागन,
Septa का मीनिंग क्या होता है?
Then octagon, then
Yeah.
nonagon, then
So
decagon.
septagon will have how many sides? A septagon will have how many?
7.
सर 1,
Very good. So I think you all have understood what are polygons and what are types of polygons: triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagon, hexagon, septagon, octagon, nonagon. All these are types of quadrilaterals. Decagon. Decagon मालूम है?
डेकागन, यस सर, सर भाई
सर
10,
सुना है.
10, सर भाई 10,
Sir,
सर 10, सर 10, यस सर,
Sir,
Deca.
and this decagon is 1440 degrees.
Decagon has how many sides? 10 sides.
10,
10 sides.
Polygon with 10 sides is known as a decagon. Okay. So all these things we will study in detail also. So first of all, we will discuss about quadrilaterals. Detail में जो हमें discuss करना है that is quadrilaterals. Now quadrilaterals are of different types. Very good topic. Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral में भी types होते हैं. कैसे होते हैं types? अभी बताते हैं. कुछ types तो आपने पहले से ही सुने हुए हैं. Some types you all must have heard in previous classes. Very easy. First class के बच्चों को पता होता है.
Sir, like a square, rectangle.
So first is चलो पहले मैं discuss करता हूँ rectangle, which is very common. Can I call this as a quadrilateral?
Yes, sir.
Can
Yes,
I
sir.
call this a quadrilateral?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
यस सर, यस सर, यस सर,
Yes, because it has 4
Yes,
sides.
sir.
So it is a
4
quadrilateral.
side.
It is a type of quadrilateral, a special type of quadrilateral. इसका नाम है rectangle. What is so special about a rectangle? A rectangle has opposite sides equal. So this side is equal to this and this side is equal to this. Okay. So that means the side AB, can you tell me the side AB is equal to which side? Side AB of the rectangle is equal to side. इस side को क्या नाम
BC?
है? AB. This is side AB. Okay. This one.
AB.
This side AB. So what is the name of this side?
DC.
CD. CD or DC कुछ भी बुला सकते हैं. You can call it as
CD,
DC या CD कुछ भी बुला सकता है. So we can say that AB is equal to CD.
BC.
And can you tell me the side BC is equal to which side?
Sir, BC equal to AB.
AB. Sir, AB.
BC
Sir, AB.
is
Sir, very
equal to AD, not AB.
AB.
AD.
AD.
With the name of this side, AD. And the name of this side is BC. So BC is equal to AD. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is known as a rectangle. Rectangle has one more special thing about it, which is
Sir, please
all
tell
angles
what
are
is that?
right angles. Right angles याद है ना क्या होते हैं? 90 degrees. So
Nice.
all the angles
90.
in a quadrilateral are right angles. In a
90.
rectangle,
90
all
angle.
angles are right angles.
Right angles.
Yes. Understood? Rectangle.
But
All of
sir,
you?
there are all the sides 90 degree.
Sorry बेटा फिर से बोलो.
Sir, but in trapezium, all sides were not 90 degree.
Trapezium.
Yes, sir. Trapezium. Sir, trapezium.
In a trapezium, all angles are not of 90 degrees, correct? Angles, आप sides बोल रहे हो बेटा, angles बोलते हैं. Measure जब भी हम degrees में बोलते हैं, so degrees में measure किस चीज का होता है? Angles का होता है, okay?
Sir, there are how many types of degrees? Sir, one is of direction, one is of heat and cold.
So only these two type of degrees are there. Degree is a unit for temperature also and as well as angle also. So degree is a common unit used for both. Degree word is only the word. Okay, the degree word is used for the unit of angle as well as for the unit of temperature. दोनों जगह use होता है. Okay. So yes, so this all these angles are of 90 degrees each. So this is a rectangle. Okay. Now another type of quadrilateral we will study. This is you have to name quadrilateral. मैं बना रहा हूँ board पर. Can you tell me the name of this quadrilateral? What is the name?
Sir, it's a square.
Square.
Yes, sir.
Square. Yes, a square. What is so special about the square? About a square? Square.
Sir, all the sides are equal.
All four sides are equal. Sir, they are equal to all the.
All sides are equal and all angles are of 90 degrees. तो rectangle से यहाँ पर काफी कुछ similar है. क्या similar है? That all angles in a rectangle are also of 90 degree and in a square
Are 90 degree.
Okay. But square में एक extra क्या है? कुछ एक there is one extra property in a square which is in a rectangle only the opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides. AB के opposite वाली side कौन सी है? CD. AB के opposite यहाँ पर क्या है? CD. So only the opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. Whereas in a square, all the four sides are equal to each other. That means side AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. All the four are equal. Okay. If I tell you that
Yes,
the
sir.
measure of side AB is suppose 5 centimeters. If AB is 5, then BC is also 5, 3D is also 5, and DA is also 5. सारी sides 5 centimeters की हो जाएंगी. If one side is 5, then all the four sides are of 5. Whereas in a rectangle, if side AB is suppose 5 centimeters, then side CD will be 5, but BC 5 नहीं होगी. BC suppose BC is 3, then AD will be 3. So opposite sides are equal, 5 and 5, whereas the side AD 3 and the side BC also 3 centimeters each. Okay. Got it? Have you all understood the difference between a rectangle and a square?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you know how to draw a line segment of a particular length? If I ask you कि आपको 6 centimeters की line draw करनी है, can you draw it in your copies with the help of a scale? Banana
Yes,
green.
sir.
Do you know
Yes,
it?
sir.
You don't
Yes,
have to
sir.
draw.
Yes, sir.
You don't have to draw it. I am just asking. If I ask you, can you draw it?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, very good. No need to draw. Okay, the next one is parallelogram. Rectangle पढ़ लिया हमने. All these are types of quadrilaterals. Rectangle is also a quadrilateral. Square is also a quadrilateral. One more, parallelogram.
Parallelogram.
Sir, this period will over at 5:55.
9:50.
No, it will over at 10:05.
No, sorry, no, it will get over at yes, 10:05. That it started at 9:25. It will get over at 10:05.
Sir, we have 15 minutes.
Yes. So one more type of
No, 16.
quadrilateral, which is a parallelogram. Okay, the figure is clearly visible. P, Q, R, S. The name of the figure is PQRS. Okay. So here
Yes, sir.
in a parallelogram, what is so special? First of all, is it a quadrilateral? क्या ये quadrilateral है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, because it has 4 sides. So it is a
Sir.
quadrilateral. And what is so special about a parallelogram? इसमें rectangle से कुछ similar होता है. क्या
Sir,
होता है? That if the side PQ and RS are equal, opposite sides are equal. Similarly, the side PS is equal to the side QR. PS is equal to QR. So opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. और किसमें होती हैं opposite sides equal? कौन से quadrilateral में होती हैं equal?
sir, rectangle में.
Very good.
Rectangle.
Rectangle में भी opposite sides equal होती हैं.
Rectangle.
Rhombus.
Rhombus में तो all sides are equal, like they are in a square. So rectangle, अभी हम rectangle और parallelogram की बात कर रहे हैं. Rectangle and parallelogram में there is one similarity that opposite sides are equal. What is the difference between a rectangle and a parallelogram? Difference क्या है?
In parallel,
It has 4 sides and it has 3 sides.
नहीं, parallelogram और rectangle सब में 4 sides होती हैं बेटा. Yes, what is the difference between a rectangle and a parallelogram? I have not got the answer.
Sir, it has not 90 degree. Sir, they do not have 90 degree.
Yes, in a rectangle, all angles are of 90 degrees, whereas in a parallelogram, the angles are not of 90 degrees. Is this angle a 90 degree angle? Is this a right angle?
sir, in this opposite angles are equal.
Yes. क्या ये वाला एंगल आपको 90 डिग्री का दिख रहा है? Is this a right angle?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Whereas in a rectangle के केस में क्या होता है? Rectangle के केस में opposite sides तो equal होती हैं, but angles are also 90 degrees. All the angles are of 90 degrees. Parallelogram में ऐसा नहीं होता है. This angle is not 90. Even all the 4 angles are not of 90 degrees. कोई भी angle यहाँ पे 90 का नहीं है. Right angle नहीं है. Okay, so this is the main difference between a parallelogram and a rectangle. अगर मैं parallelogram को पकड़ के ऐसे सीधा कर दूंगा तो क्या बन जाएगा? तब rectangle. Am I right or not? Parallelogram को पकड़ के ऐसे करके सीधा कर दें उसको तो क्या बन जाएगा?
Rectangle.
Then it will form a rectangle. Okay, because उससे क्या होगा? All the angles will become 90 degrees. Okay. Now you can try this with the help of matchsticks also. you can try making different shapes at home with the help of matchsticks. Rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, square, all the shapes you can make at home easily. Okay, and you can then send pictures in the group. अच्छा चलो वो activity कर लेंगे ये वाली है ना. Tomorrow we will do this. You all will sit with matchboxes.
This one activity.
Tomorrow, not today.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow I have a period in your class or not?
Yes, sir.
I have.
Sir, I did.
Yes,
Sir, I
sir. Yes,
did.
sir.
Yes, sir. We can do that period.
Sir, your period is not on Wednesday.
Okay. So
Only
tomorrow
on
I have a period. So tomorrow everyone will sit with the matchbox and we will form different shapes. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
And then we will take pictures of those shapes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is a parallelogram. Now there is rhombus. Rhombus and parallelogram are very similar, but a little different also. थोड़ा कुछ similar भी होता है, different भी होता है. Rhombus and parallelogram.
Rhombus is all side equal.
Rhombus and a square also has similarity. A square and a rhombus also have similarities. क्या होती हैं similarity अभी discuss करते हैं.
सर वो भी 90 डिग्री का होता है और फिर वो opposite
अरे
side
numbers,
भी
their four
होता
sides
है.
are equal.
So this is a rhombus. A B C D. In a rhombus, देखिए parallelogram जैसे टेढ़ा सा है वैसे ही rhombus भी टेढ़ा है. But the difference is rhombus has all the sides equal. In a rhombus, all sides are equal. Parallelogram में क्या होता है? Opposite sides are equal, whereas in a rhombus, all sides are equal. In a rhombus also the angles are not right angles. यहाँ पर भी जो angle है वो right angle नहीं है. Square and rhombus में क्या similar होता है? Can you tell me what is the similarity between a square and a rhombus?
Because sir, square and rhombus have all sides equal.
Yes, very good. So this is a rhombus and this is a square. Okay. Square also has all sides equal and a rhombus also has all sides equal. All sides are equal, am I right or not? The length of AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. That means if this is 6 centimeter, मैं आपको बोल देता हूँ, the length of AB is 6, BC is also 6, CD is also 6 and DA is also 6. All the four sides are equal. So square में भी ऐसे ही होता है, am I right or not? आपने पढ़ा था अभी square में भी ऐसे ही होता है. All sides are equal.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what is the difference between a rhombus and a square? Difference क्या होता है?
Sir, a rhombus there is not 90 degrees. This is not equal, but sir, this is not. Sir,
Yes,
two
sir.
pairs of
all the
equal, but
sides
not
are
90 degrees.
Sir, all the sides are equal, but the angle is not 90 degrees. Sir, in a
Very good.
square, the sides are equal and the angles are 90 degrees.
Very good, exactly. So similarity is that all sides are equal in both the shapes. All sides are equal. This is the similarity. What is the difference? The difference is that in a square, all angles are right angles. सारे angle right angle होते हैं 90 degrees. Okay. Whereas in a rhombus, the angles are not right angles. Angles rhombus में क्या होता है? Right angles नहीं होते. So this is the difference between a square and a rhombus. Got it, all of you? Have you understood all these four
Yes,
types?
sir.
This special type of quadrilaterals we are discussing. One more type is left, which is trapezium. This is also a type of quadrilateral, trapezium. trapezium and a parallelogram. What is the similarity? There is one little similarity between a trapezium and a parallelogram, which is in a trapezium there is one pair of opposite sides which are parallel to each other. Parallel का मतलब जानते हैं आप? Parallel, two lines which are going side by side, but they will never meet each other. These are known as parallel lines. Parallel line का meaning जानते हैं आप? If two lines are going side by side, but they will never meet each other. Okay. So these type of lines are known as parallel lines.
Okay, sir.
Okay. दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ साथ चलेंगी lines, but they will never meet each other. These type of lines are known as parallel lines. उनके बीच में जो distance है, the distance between the two lines will always remain same. So these are parallel lines, but these are not parallel lines. Are these lines parallel?
No, sir.
These are parallel lines. ये जो मैंने बनाई है यहाँ पर.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Because if I produce these lines further, if I produce them further, they will meet at a point. Am I right or not? ये दोनों जाकर
Yes,
के
sir. So they will meet.
these are not parallel, but these are parallel lines. Okay.
Yes,
Got it?
sir.
Can you give me a live
Got it.
example? Example from your daily life. Can you give me an example of parallel lines? You can see a lot of examples around you of parallel lines.
Sir, road.
Sir, my box.
Yes, very good. Box has
Sir,
parallel.
my tiffin. Sir, my tiffin.
The tiffin also has
Sir,
parallel.
table.
Even my phone has parallel
Sir,
lines.
table.
Yes.
Sir, my
Sir,
box.
phone. Sir,
That's why it's
Sir,
showing.
table.
Sir, laptop also.
My phone is also having parallel lines like this and this. These two lines are parallel to each other. What is the shape of this quadrilateral?
Sir, rectangle.
Equal.
Sir,
It is
rectangle.
Correct. This is
Sorry,
the-
rectangle.
All
table.
equal and all angles are of 90 degrees. Angles are 90 degrees. Okay, so this is a rectangle. एक बहुत अच्छा एग्जांपल दूं मैं आपको पैरेलल लाइंस का. वेरी गुड एग्जांपल देखूं. बहुत अच्छा एग्जांपल है. बताऊं?
Yes, sir.
रेलवे
sir.
ट्रैक. रेलवे ट्रैक्स
Yes, sir.
है ना.
Yes,
बढ़िया
sir.
एग्जांपल है. Are railway tracks parallel to each other? दो आपने देखा tracks are going always parallel to each other. Railway tracks. Have you ever seen it?
Yes, sir.
It is an example of parallel lines. Okay. And even this board has parallel lines.
Sir, and latitude also.
Sir, table also.
मैं तो बोल रहा था.
Table also.
Lot of examples are there. Many examples are there of parallel lines. So in a trapezium, the side AB, we are talking about this trapezium. You can see the side AB and the side CD are parallel. Am I right or not? These two sides are parallel to each other. AB
Yes,
and
sir.
they are
Yes,
going
sir.
side by side but not meeting each other. Are the sides AD and BC parallel in this case? AD or BC parallel? No.
No, sir.
AD
No,
is
sir.
not
So
parallel.
they're not straight.
Yes.
So
because
they're not straight.
So if I produce AD like this and CD also, BC also, if I produce like this, so they will meet at a point. दोनों एक दूसरे को intersect करेंगे. That means these are not parallel lines. So when there is only one pair, there is only one pair of parallel lines in a quadrilateral, then the quadrilateral is known as trapezium. आ गया समझ में?
Yes, sir.
Trapezium में क्या होता है? There is only one pair of parallel lines. Can you tell me how many pairs of parallel lines are there in a parallelogram? Parallelogram में how many pairs of parallel lines are there?
Sir,
Make the shape and think of it. Draw the shape.
Sir, which shape?
Sir, two parallel. Sir,
Parallelogram.
two.
Draw it in your rough copies and then think of it. draw a parallelogram in your rough copy and then think of whether it has parallel lines or not. And if it has parallel lines, then how many pairs are there?
It has 4 parallel lines.
So how many pairs? Pairs कितने होते हैं?
Of 2 pairs.
The two pairs.
Sir, 2.
2 pairs. It has 2 pairs of parallel lines. Parallelogram has 2 pairs. देखिए कैसे? So this is a parallelogram. I have drawn it on the board. PQRS. Suppose the name is PQRS. Okay. So you can see the side PQ is parallel to RS. They are parallel to each other. Are they going to meet? If I produce them indefinitely, are the two lines going to meet each other? No. So PQ is parallel to RS. You all can see this on the board. PQ or RS parallel hai yahan par. So this is the first pair of parallel lines. Second pair of parallel lines, if I produce SP and the side RQ, then also they will never meet each other. Any side you can produce, here or there. So these are also parallel lines. So there are 2 pairs of parallel lines in a parallelogram. Understood all of you? Parallelogram?
Yes, sir.
Sir, the class is over.
Sir, the
Yes.
class is
The
over.
time is over.
So this is all about quadrilaterals. Have you all understood all the types of quadrilaterals, everyone?
Yes, sir.
एक और होता है
Yes,
बता
sir.
that is known as a kite.
Yes, sir.
The kite is also a type of quadrilateral.
Yes, sir.
So which?
Kite. One more type is there, which is known as kite. Kite में क्या होता है?
How it
It's like this.
looks.
It has. This also has 2 pairs of equal sides. This is equal to this, and this is equal to this. So this is known as a kite. It is not given in your book, but this is also there. Okay. So thank you for today. We will meet tomorrow. You all will sit with matchboxes tomorrow, I think. Will you?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Bye bye.
Okay, sir.